Morning, everybody. Cleanup time on the Rancho here, talking security and other issues. Little bit of update. Yeah, I had some of the party squad from the apartment house behind the Rancho here throwing can. Looked like they busted through. I don't know. There's a bird up here like the size of a 747 in the sky. I hope it doesn't come down and snatch my wig, right? Wig snatcher bird. Anyway, I just finished doing all the laundry, getting the Shine Shack back in shape here. Gonna go ahead and put all of this stuff away later. I got the pillowcases and everything. So all nice and done, all nice and laundered for the next crew that's coming in. Things are pretty good. I already did the towels over here, putting that set together. So things are pretty well cleaned up. Let me turn this a little bit. Let me turn that around a little bit for you guys. And yeah, good shape here. Tara nice and neat and clean. Of course. Left it in wonderful shape here. So we're good to go. Unfortunately, here's another problem. This stupid wheel just exploded on the front of this, the drive wheel for the front. I got to get a new one of them. That's going to be a drag. Order a new one of them with the gear and take that off with the C-clip and everything. It's not one thing, it's another. Yeah, we got a little bit of a very light mist as the marine layer is very heavy today. So I don't think I'm going to be cooking tonight because I'm going to be on the road tomorrow. I never even noticed the back of this, that the drip pan was missing. Look at the friggin' gas container. I can't even turn that in. If I had to, I'm going to have to get the engine degreaser and spray that baby. I don't know what the heck. We had a catcher. I guess this thing is just these things never hold up well. They're just really cheaply made. And I guess we've had this for about 5 years. Have to get another one of them. So let's go in the back here. Kind of a gloomy morning. You see the size of this mulberry tree? This thing's really got to be taken down. This thing is just insane. It's over sweeping the whole Rancho. That's the candy guy. Candy / ice cream man on bike doing his thing this morning. Out early. There he goes. Out at 9 a.m., back at 9 p.m. Hard working guy. Did manage to get the most of the grass cut. I had to push it on 3 wheels. The lawnmower. That kind of sucked. But I got it knocked down pretty good. In the back. We're way in the back now. And the other day I noticed that parts of the fence were kicked out. And there were drink cans. Man, it smells like... the hell's that spice? I don't really like that too much. I don't know, that Indian spice for Indian food. The whole place smells spicy this morning, so I had to go put that just temporary. This thing is kind of going to be on its last legs, I think. But that's pretty secure. They had busted that out there. And we're coming in here and partying. There's one of the cans there. They were coming in here and partying, so I got to have some security. So I got that baby really good, and ain't going to be coming in there again. But you can see how weak, and this fence is very old. Pretty rotten. And it's also got a distinct pitch to it. But as long as it holds up a little bit, then we'll probably come and put an 8-foot chain link fence all the way across here for extra security, ward off zombie attacks. Right. I couldn't understand why nobody really hangs out at this apartment. So It's got something temporary. I imagine this thing will go one more rainy season and then it'll pitch over and have to be demolished. We'll either put up a matching fence and I'll have to pay for half of it, like I paid half of this $1,500 towards all of this fencing over here. This is 8 foot high fencing, real nice, real good quality construction on this. So if I could have that continued over there, even 8 feet would be awesome on that. So that's going to be a wrap this morning. Just been real busy getting things back in shape here on the Rancho. Of course, we got more visitors that are going to be coming, and I'm looking forward to that. Mr. Z, Monkey Boy, will be on the road to LA tomorrow, Los Angeles. Lots more entertainment and good fun to come down there. I know I look like I've been rode hard and put away wet this morning, right? Thanks for being along, everybody. Thumbs up are appreciated. Thank you.